So when you order the gasket kit, it's part number 1321282 for the '99 Nissan Maxima, and comes with a series of these green O-ring seals. So you just pick and choose the ones you need as you replace them. And I also have, while I'm in there, I'm going to replace the Schrader valves, because sometimes they tend to leak when they get older. And part number for that is 1311575. And the kit comes with, looks like 3 Schrader valves and a series of caps for the high pressure side and the low pressure side.